Hi, it's Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva champion. Today, I wanted to introduce you to all the fantastic new magic features on Canva. They had a big launch a couple of weeks ago, and I'm only just going to go through briefly the presentation that they have because I've done videos on some of the features already. But I will be adding more as I go through and I learn how to use them myself because some of them are quite different. Let's go to my Canva screen and we'll take a look. As you can see, there's now a new header which when you drag across has this fantastic effect of stars and color, and it's inviting you to meet the Magic Studio. You have this new Magic Studio button inside here, and if you click on that, you get this fantastic video that Canva has produced. I'm going to play that. Probably will lose the music, but we'll see what happens. As you can see, Canva Magic is all about pulling the power of AI together. And a lot of these features had been introduced before, but Canva has now added to them, enhanced them, made them even more useful. And as AI grows and what you can do with it improves, I can just only see this getting better and better and better. One of my favorites that I've already looked at is called Magic Switch. It was Magic Resize before, but now you can do so much more with it. And I'll be doing a video on that very shortly. Let's just scroll down and you can see Magic Design for presentations, Magic Design for video. Magic Write was a feature they had already, but again, it's got additional features. And this one is incredible, which is Brand Voice. A lot of this is for a Pro account, and I will put a link to Canva Pro so you can try this and have a play with some of these amazing features. And it's free for the first 30 days. But Brand Voice is one I was trying earlier. And you can keep it in your brand kit, which you do have to have a Canva Pro account. But Brand Voice will take either what you've written or what Canva has written, and you can change it to your own brand and tone, which is really fantastically useful. These are nearly all Pro features, but they are so worthwhile. I love this Magic Morph. It just adds so much texture and depth and 3D effect to simple words. And with Magic Video and text to video and text to image shown you before, it makes it very easy to use. And then you have Magic Edit, Magic Grab, where you band. And Canbox, I've done a video already on a couple of the Canbox features, but they've added some more. And everyone you go into it does say whether it's free or whether you have to join and there's a fee. Quite often you get the first 25 designs that you generate free, but some of them are just completely free once you have a Pro account. It's worthwhile investigating those. Short video just to show you what Canva's introduced, and I will be doing more individual videos on these. I'll also put a list in the description below this video of the videos that I've done already so that you can refer to them and see the features. But some of the Magic Switch, I'll need to do an updated video on because there's so many more features to it. I hope that helps, and I'll see you next week.